Welcome back to House. I'm in the process of selling my property and my real estate agent is putting a lot of pressure on me to kind of have a facelift to the property. What do I mean? Paint in the interior, place the blinds. Is it worth it? Because I'm trying to sell it. Why would I put, and it's going to come to about $5,000.
Okay, this is my rule of thumb, Ali. Unless I'm going to make 20K off spending the 5, there's no way I'll do it. So the question is, will you make another 20,000 if you spend 5?
Well, I don't know.
Well, that's what the agent's got to answer.
Well, nothing's guaranteed.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. They should know. So for example, when I was selling a lot of property, I would actually do the calculation. I would assess a property and I would think, okay, this is what we need to do. Is it worth the investment? Many times it wasn't. I would have people fill in their pools in their backyard. It was going to cost, it was normally about $10,000 to $15,000 that they would spend. But the 10 to 15,000, I know I'd get an extra 50. So it was a no-brainer and it always worked.
So you don't like pools?
No, from a buyer's perspective, many buyers do not. Unless you're going to see a great return on that investment, definitely not. Houses which are in a terrible state, I wouldn't touch it. Total waste of money.
Yep.
So be very careful because you can spend an awful lot of money and have absolutely no return. Be devastated by the end of it.
So that's that question I should ask. Spending 5, will I make 20?
Minimum 20. Take care.
Thank you.